Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Taste and Trivia. In today's video, we're diving into a delicious seafood quiz. How well do you really know seafood? You'll have 35 questions and 8 seconds for each one to answer correctly. Before we start, please subscribe to Taste and Trivia so you never miss our quiz. Ready? Let's get started. Which seafood is known for having 8 arms? Correct! It's the octopus. An octopus has 8 arms, unlike squid, which have 10. Which fish is commonly used to make sushi and sashimi? Right! Tuna is a sushi favorite. Tuna is one of the most popular fish used in sushi. What shellfish is famous for producing pearls? Correct. Pearls come from oysters. Pearls form inside certain types of oysters. Which seafood has a hard shell and walks sideways? Yes, crabs walk sideways. Crabs are known for their sideways movement. What is the main ingredient in fish and chips? Correct. Cod is traditional. Cod is traditionally used in classic fish and chips. Which seafood is commonly eaten with butter and lemon? Right. Lobster pairs well with butter. Lobster is often served simply to highlight its natural flavor. What type of seafood is shrimp? Correct. Shrimp are shellfish. Shrimp belong to the crustacean family. Which fish is known for its pink flesh? Yes, that pink color is salmon. Salmon's pink color comes from its natural diet. What seafood is traditionally used in paella? Correct! Seafood paella classic. Seafood paella includes shellfish like shrimp and mussels. Which seafood has a fan-shaped shell? Right! Scallops have fan shells. Scallops are easily recognized by their shell shape. What is calamari made from? Correct! It's squid. Calamari is usually fried squid. Which seafood is known for being very high in omega-3 fatty acids? Yes, salmon is rich in omega-3s. Salmon is one of the healthiest fatty fish. Which fish is commonly canned? Correct. Canned tuna. Tuna is widely sold canned for convenience. What type of seafood is mussel? Right. Mussels are mollusks. Mussels belong to the mollusk family. Which seafood is often served raw with lemon and oyster bars? Correct! Raw oysters. Raw oysters are popular appetizers worldwide. What seafood dish is made with raw fish cured in citrus juice? Yes, that's ceviche. Citrus juice cooks the fish without heat. Which fish is known as the king of seafood due to its rich taste? Correct. Lobster is king. Lobster is considered a luxury seafood item. Which seafood is usually served peeled and deveined? Right. Shrimp are cleaned first. Shrimp are cleaned before cooking. What seafood is used to make crab cakes? Correct! Crab meat. Crab cakes are made from seasoned crab meat. Which fish has a flat body and lives on the ocean floor? Yes, flatfish like flounder. Flatfish like flounder camouflage on the seabed. Which seafood is famous for ink used in cooking? Correct! Ink comes from octopus. Squid and octopus ink is used in pasta and rice dishes. Which seafood is often grilled whole in Mediterranean cuisine? Right. Grilled sardines. Sardines are commonly grilled and served with lemon. What is the edible muscle of a scallop called? Correct! Adductor muscle. This muscle opens and closes the shell. Which seafood is commonly used in clam chowder? Yes, clams are key. Clams are the star ingredient of chowder. Which fish is known for its strong, oily flavor? Correct! Mackerel is oily. Mackerel has a bold taste and high oil content. What seafood is used to make lobster bisque? Right! Lobster bisque. Bisque is a creamy soup made from lobster. Which seafood is often eaten steamed with garlic butter? Correct! Steamed mussels. Steamed mussels are simple and flavorful. Which fish is commonly used for fish tacos? Yes, mild whitefish. Mild whitefish works best for tacos. Which seafood must be alive before cooking in many cuisines? Correct. Lobsters are cooked fresh. Lobsters are usually cooked alive for freshness. What seafood is commonly used in tempura? Right. Shrimp tempura. Shrimp tempura is a popular Japanese dish. Which seafood is known for changing color when cooked? Correct. Shrimp turn pink. Shrimp turn pink or orange when cooked. Which fish is famous for being very mild and flaky? Yes, cod is mild. Cod has a clean, delicate flavor. Which seafood is used to make anchovy paste? Correct. Anchovies. Anchovies are cured and blended into paste. What seafood dish includes mixed shellfish cooked in wine or broth? Right. Seafood stew. Stews combine many seafood types. Why is seafood considered healthy? Correct. It's nutritious. Seafood supports heart and brain health. Fantastic job, seafood fans. How many questions did you get right? Share your score in the comments and tell us your favorite seafood dish. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a like and share it with a fellow seafood lover. Subscribe to Taste and Trivia for more delicious quizzes from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and stay hungry.